Hello, all. Today's topic is deforestation. It is a very interesting topic, and I am Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College Ajmer, Rajasthan. Deforestation, clearance, clear cutting, or clearing is the removal of the forest or stand of trees from land which is then converted to a non forest use. Deforestation can involve conversion of forest land to farms, ranches, or urban use. The most concentrated deforestation occurs in tropical rainforests. About 31% of Earth's land surface is covered by forests. The primary cause of deforestation is agriculture, where trees are cut down for use of building material or solid or sold as fuel, sometimes in form of charcoal or timber, while cleared land is used as a pasture for livestock and plantation. The vast majority of agricultural activity resulting in deforestation is subsidized by government tax revenue. So in this picture we easily see that there is greenery, green part, and at some place there this green part is not there and the land is seen, bare land can be seen, and this greenery, it is in the form of a lung, you can see clearly. एंड यहाँ पे क्या है कि कुछ पार्ट में से जैसे ना ग्रीन ट्रीज प्लांट्स श्रब्स वगैरह हटे हुए हैं. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्टिविटी ऑफ मैन, बिकॉज ऑफ द यूज ऑफ वुड एंड टिम्बर. it has cleared this land and this green portion is disappeared from here. So we can now in this we can also see that the oxygen which is being produced by these green plants वो कम हो जाएगी बिल्कुल. Now in this introductory slide of deforestation, the forest cover is of 31% of the land area on our planet. They produce vital oxygen and provide homes for people and wildlife. Many of the world's most threatened and endangered animals live in these forests. 1.6 billion people rely on benefits forests offer, including food, fresh water, clothing, traditional medicine, and shelter. There are various causes of deforestation. First is clearing land to build housing. Countries resort to deforestation to cope with the increasing demand for housing brought about by the growing population. Secondly, felling trees for wood, lodging or simple cutting down trees for timber is one of the main causes of deforestation. Third is agriculture. To provide land for food crops such as palm oil and for rearing cattle, undisturbed rainforest areas end up being removed. Fourthly, other land uses, land for mining and industrial projects and building dams. Growing population is the major cause of deforestation. Now in this slide we can see कि पहले जो है इंडिविजुअल्स कम हैं, फिर सेकंड 3 बिलियन थे पहले, फिर उसके बाद 6 बिलियन हो गए और उसके बाद 9.6 बिलियन. सो द पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग ग्रेजुअली. यू कैन सी इन दिस स्लाइड ऑल्सो. In 1960 it was less, then in 2000 it was double, and then in 2050 तक फिर और भी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन जो है वो आप स्लाइड में देखेंगे कितनी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. The current world population of 7.2 billion is projected to reach 9.6 billion by 2050, according to a UN report. To cater to the increasing housing needs, many resort to removing rainforests to create land. Environmental and economical impacts. In this slide, we can see this increased soil erosion on the topmost portion, and then there is disruption of water cycles. This is reduced to biodiversity. Then climate change is there, and then disruption of livelihoods. So these are the impacts on environment and economical part. You can see in the diagram clearly. This short-term environmental effects are being shown. Firstly, increased soil erosion. This is due to no trees anchoring the fertile soil. Erosion is sweeping the land into rivers. The agricultural plants replacing the forest are unable to hold onto the soil. Since 1960, a third of world's arable land has been lost. As fertile soil washes away, producers move on, clearing more forests. So this is. Secondly, disruption of water cycles. The trees play a key role in the local water cycle. They keep balance between the water on the land and the water in the atmosphere. Disrupted balance changes the precipitation and river flow. Long-term effects are actually the reduced biodiversity, in which 80% species can be found in tropical rainforest, often unable to survive in the small fragments of forested land left behind, accessible to hunters and poachers, leading to extinction. Climate changes. In long terms, you can see there are various climate changes. The forest help to mitigate carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions. When cut, burned, or otherwise removed, they become carbon source. Tropical forests hold more than 210 GIG tons of carbon. Deforestation represents 15% of greenhouse gas emissions. Rising temperatures, change patterns of weather, and increase of extreme weather events. So this is the concluding slide of deforestation. We still have quite a lot of forest in our country, but we need to be wise to manage the forest. There are too many things to be sacrificed for this earth. For example, trees, plants, soil, air, and animals. So think again if you want to make a business that need a forest to be sacrificed. This world is crying already. In this slide, you can see that India is the world's largest producer of milk, pulses, and jute, and ranks as the second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, vegetables, fruit, and cotton. It is also one of the leading producers of spices, fish, poultry, livestock, and plantation crops. In this slide, in environmental impact, there are 4 things. First is atmosphere, second is hydrological, third is soil, and fourth is the ecosystem. These are the environmental impacts of deforestation. Thank you for patiently hearing me. Viewers, thanks once again. My name is Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Thank you.